Okay, tricks in multiplying decimal numbers with 0 digits in just 5 seconds. O diba, ang dali-dali lang? 5 seconds talaga. Totoo yun. Okay, let's start. Baka excited ng lahat kung paano gawin ito in just 5 seconds. 5.793 times 0.01. Okay, just simply copy this. Except the dot, ha? So, 5.793. Then, from the right, how many times? O ilang beses kaya mag-move? O ilang digits pa kaya ang madaanan before ma-reach yung dot? Okay, let's start from the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 times. Dito naman. 1, 2. Ayan. 2 times. Then add. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then, with that 5, do the same thing. From the right, move 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So extend 5. Then put 0. Let me rewrite the final answer. 0.05793. Yun lang. Okay. Punta tayo sa number 2. Kopyahin uli itong given. Except the dot, ha? Okay, except the dot. Huwag kopyahin yan. Okay. 4, 9, 2, 6, 1, 3, 7. Okay. From the right, mag-move how many times madaanan before ma-reach ang dot? So, 1, 2. Okay, 2 times. Sa baba, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. 4 times. So, 2 plus 4, we have 6. Meaning, 6 times tayo mag-move from the right in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, dito yung dot. Let me rewrite the final answer. 4.926137. Yan yung final answer natin sa number 2. Okay, let's proceed sa number 3. Okay, do the same. So, 3, 2, 8, 5. Then, move. How many times from the right? 1. Once lang. So, 1. How about below? 1, 2, 3. So, 3. Then, 1 plus 3, we have 4. So, meaning, you have to move from the right 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me rewrite the final answer. Ito lang. 0.3285. Yan yung final answer natin. And now, sa last number, di ba decimal number? Pero ang pangalawang factor is a whole number. It is not a decimal number. Whole number ito kasi 100 man. Therefore, iba din yung rule. So of course, Copy mo na yung mga digits. 8, 5, 4, 2, 9, 1. Since whole number man yan, copy the 2 zeros. 1, 2. Diba? Copy the 2 zeros. Then, start counting from the right. Kung ilang beses siya mag-move sa left before niya ma-reach ang dot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, 4 times. How about dito sa 100? Wala mang ano dyan. Dot. Actually, pag whole number, automatic na ang dot ay nasa dito. Nasa right. Pero hindi man yan counted. Kasi whole number talaga to. Hindi yan decimal number. So, meaning, 0. Okay, 0. So, 4 plus 0, we have 4. Meaning, mag-move tayo 4 times from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me rewrite. 8, 5, 4, 2.9100. Since, ano yan? Whole man yan. And then 4 digits man yan. Naka-reach na siya ng thousands place. So, maglagay ako ng comma. So, 8,542 and 9,100 10,000s. Or pwede na rin i-remove yung 00 kasi wala namang value na yan. Or kung gusto mo, pwede din i-remain na lang. As long as you ended up with this answer without any violations. Sana naintindihan nyo yung explanation ko. Maraming salamat.